Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact cable and port compatibility so signals match. Once done, power down devices if the manufacturer recommends it or set them to connect mode. Make sure the connector is oriented correctly. Inspect the plug and port visually. Gently insert the cable straight in until you feel a light click or resistance ease. You do not want to force it. Orientation mistakes cause bent pins. After seating the cable, leave it undisturbed while you move to configuration. Once the cable is seated, enable the appropriate mode: data transfer, tethering, or display output depending on the devices. You may need to accept a prompt on one or both screens. Grant permission so the link can negotiate. Next, confirm power flow by watching for a charging icon or a battery percentage change if applicable. Then open the device settings or notification panel to verify the remote device appears. If drivers or pairing prompts appear, follow them. Drivers install automatically. You finish by testing the connection. Transfer a small file, play audio, or mirror a display to confirm end-to-end function. Make sure the cable has no sharp bends and is strain relieved to avoid intermittent faults. If the connection fails, restart both devices and retry. Many negotiation issues clear after a reboot. If problems persist, swap to a known good cable or a different port to isolate whether the cable, port, or device is defective. Key tip: try another cable first to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.